Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Aura Smart TV backlight. So this is an LED light strip that fits 55 to 65 inch TVs. So inside of this TV backlight, if you go ahead and open it up, we do have inside of here, we have the camera and the TV adapter. So essentially how this works is that the camera sits on top of your TV, and based on the colors of what it sees on your TV, that's how it knows which colors to emit onto your TV backlight. So this right here is the camera that you see right over there. And then you also have the power adapter on the other side. Now here we have alcohol prep pads. So these are going to be used to make sure that there's no dust and debris on the back of your TV, so that the adhesive light strip could actually stick securely onto the back of your TV. Now, in addition to that, here we actually have the actual light strip, but that's pretty much it though. This is really super easy to install. Just make sure that when you're applying the alcohol pads that you clean up any dust, just because you want this to stick onto the back of your TV for quite some time. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.